Alright, picture this. You're rolling down the highway, and suddenly every other vehicle looks like a toy. People are staring, phones are out, jaws are dropping. That's the kind of presence the 2026 Toyota Thunderstorm 1212 brings to the game. This thing isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling flex. A land yacht? A beast that looks like it could survive the apocalypse and still make it to brunch on time. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Saint Review's Hub. Today, we're diving deep into one of the wildest, most over-top motorhomes we've ever featured, the 2026 Toyota Thunderstorm. 12x12. Yeah, you heard that right. 12 by 12. That's not a typo. This rig is absolutely insane, so buckle up. From the outside, the Thunderstorm looks like it drove straight out of a sci-fi movie. The first thing that hits you is the sheer size. This thing is massive. We're talking skyscraper, on wheels vibes. The 1212 drivetrain means you've got 12 wheels, all powered, all ready to tackle whatever Mother Nature throws your way. Sand, snow, mud, rocky trails. This monster just shrugs and says, "Is that all you got?" The design is aggressive, but still polished. Toyota's somehow blended rugged military-style toughness with premium luxury aesthetics. Up front, you've got a bold grille, sharp LED headlights, and a stance so wide, it practically owns the road. The body lines are clean, yet muscular, giving it that "don't mess with me" energy. And those wheels? Absolute units. Wrapped in chunky, all-terrain tires that scream adventure. Moving along the sides, you'll notice integrated storage compartments, sleek awnings, and high-end finishes that keep things classy. The Thunderstorm doesn't look clunky like some oversized RVs. It's smooth, futuristic, and low-key intimidating. Around the back, you've got a stylish rear lighting setup, reinforced bumpers, and optional accessories like bike racks, spare tire mounts, and even a compact off-road vehicle carrier. This thing is basically a mobile command center. Step inside, and wow, the vibe completely shifts from rugged to straight-up luxury. The cockpit alone feels like you're sitting in a high-end luxury SUV, not a mega motor. Digital displays everywhere, a fully customizable instrument cluster, and a massive infotainment screen that controls navigation, cameras, climate, lighting, the whole 9 yards. The seats are plush, wrapped in premium leather, and built for those long-haul road trips. As you move into the main living area, it's like entering a luxury apartment. The space is surprisingly open thanks to clever design and slide-out sections. You've got premium hardwood finishes, ambient LED lighting, and materials that feel expensive to the touch. Nothing about this interior says basic RV. This is next level. The lounge area is straight up cozy. Large sectional seating, a big screen, smart TV. Built-in surround sound, perfect for movie nights or binge watching your favorite shows while parked somewhere epic. The windows are huge, letting in tons of natural light and giving you panoramic views wherever you camp. Now let's talk kitchen, because Toyota did not come to play. You've got solid surface countertops, a full-size fridge, induction cooktop, microwave, and more storage than most city apartments. Whether you're whipping up a quick snack or going full Gordon Ramsay mode, this kitchen can handle it. The cabinetry is sleek, soft close, and beautifully finished. The dining setup is just as slick. A stylish table with comfortable seating that doubles as a workspace if you're living that digital nomad life. Everything feels thoughtfully laid out, no wasted space, no awkward design choices. Heading toward the rear, the bedroom continues. The luxury theme. A large bed, premium mattress, integrated lighting, wardrobes, and clever storage solutions. It's quiet, relaxing, and honestly feels more like a boutique hotel room than something on wheels. Perfect for crashing after a long day of exploring. Right, let's get into performance, because this is where the Thunderstorm really earns its name. Underneath all that luxury is some serious engineering muscle. The 1212 drivetrain isn't just for show. Every wheel being powered means ridiculous traction and stability. This thing grips the road like it's glued down. Power comes from a heavily upgraded Toyota hybrid diesel-electric system, delivering both efficiency and brute force. You get strong torque for hauling this massive rig without feeling sluggish. Acceleration is surprisingly smooth, and highway cruising feels stable and composed. No sketchy wobbling or white-knuckle driving here. Off-road absolute champ. The advanced suspension system soaks up bumps like a pro. Uneven terrain, rocky paths, rough trails, the Thunderstorm just floats through it. It's wild how something this big can feel this controlled. Toyota's Drive Assist tech also keeps things safe with adaptive cruise control, lane assist, collision prevention, and a full 360-degree camera system. Packing this beast is still a challenge, but at least you're not doing it blind. Now, let's address the big question. How much does this rolling palace cost? Well, it ain't cheap, folks. The base model of the 2026 Toyota Thunderstorm 1212 is expected to start around $950,000. And that's before you start ticking option boxes like upgraded interiors, premium sound systems, solar packages, and custom paint jobs. Fully loaded, you're easily looking at $1.20 to $1.4 million. Yeah, this is firmly in, if you gotta ask, you probably can't afford it territory. But honestly, considering what you're getting, insane capability, luxury apartment vibes, and unmatched road presence, it kinda makes sense for high-end buyers. This motorhome isn't for everyone. It's for people who want to travel without sacrificing comfort, who want to go anywhere and do it in style, who want their RV to feel more like a penthouse suite on wheels. It's bold, it's extra, it's unapologetically flashy. And that's what makes the 2026 Toyota Thunderstorm 1212 such a hit. It's not just transportation, it's an experience, a statement, a whole lifestyle. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to smash that like button. Drop a comment below telling us where you'd take this beast, and don't forget to subscribe to Sandreview's hub for more insane vehicles just like this. Catch you guys in the next one.